we cannot video record in here. I'm pretty sure he saw me recording, so I'm not gonna be able to do it. So we are gonna get some chocolate, but I will have to stop recording, unfortunately, so I'll see you guys after.
Hello. Okay, so as you heard there, I was not allowed to record anything, but they did say I could take photos. So I did take some photos here of kind of a little bit of a timeline of the journey. This was the Hershey's Unwrapped. It kind of took you through like the 5 senses of chocolate, you know, like tasting and smelling and creating and everything like that. We got these little tins here that were part of the experience. You opened them up when they told you to open them up, and then you kind of took it apart and tried the different chocolates and did kind of what they said. There was like a little host there. She told little jokes and she was kind of funny. And it was I think it was about 30 minutes, and it had different rooms in there, but it was really for kids. Like, so we just kind of did it because we were like, hey, let's try this thing and let's see what it's about. But really it is heavily kid focused. There's the inside of the kit there. So it came with like it had like some Hershey's dark chocolate, Hershey's milk chocolate. It had a Hershey Kiss, and it had some cookies and cream. And there you go, see the 5 sense tasteology. So that's what they did. And there was another host that came in, and the whole room sort of interacted, and lots of things came out. So we're in the sight one right there. So it's kind of like looking at the chocolate and things like that. It was a cool little experience. I don't know. Well, I wouldn't say if it was worth the price or not. I can't remember exactly how much we paid because we did like the entire package for the whole day. So it was probably about $100 and something a person for everything that we did. There she is smelling the chocolate there, in case you don't really know what chocolate smells like. You can go ahead and smell it. But it was like hearing it, so that was kind of like you break the chocolate open and you hear what it sounds like and all that. But we did get to try the chocolate. There's a random photo of the lady enjoying her stuff. But if you got little kiddos, I would definitely do this if you had some time to kill. And here's the part where you get to taste it. But if you don't, I would probably skip it. It's nothing for adults, but us being little kids and wanting to try everything we did, we tried it. So yeah, I'm gonna leave you here with some of the photos and maybe check back in a second to tell you kind of what some of the stuff was. So here we are going into the next part of it. Like a door opens up and you kind of go into like another little secret area, which this place was a little kind of cool. This was a little more interactive for kids. I think a couple of them went up there. So this is like where this guy's like the mad scientist, where he creates the chocolate. He puts concoctions together. He put like a little fake block of cheese in there and all kinds of other stuff, and it came out with like a chocolate creation. So it was kind of cool. There he is there. He's got like the block of cheese, and I think like a couple kids went up and did things too. So it's kind of interactive. The kids can go up and do stuff, and then you got your final part of your Hershey thing. If you look right there, it was a hidden door sort of inside the tin, and it had a full-size chocolate bar in it, so kind of coincided with it. And then this is us leaving. So yeah, the whole experience I think was about 30 minutes long, and yeah, it was pretty neat.
All right, so I hope you enjoyed that little photo montage. Since we weren't allowed to film in there, but we could take pictures, we pretty much took a few little pictures, trying not to make it too long. But what is our next adventure, little lady? Let me hold that. Let's step over here into the corner. Let's get out of the way. See what's next on the list.
12 p.m.
12 p.m. Okay, so
Great
that's
Candy Expedition.
so that is in how many ever minutes? What time is it now?
It's 12 p.m. So
Let's see what time it is now. Since I'm filming, I can't tell. 15 minutes. Okay, so it's a chocolate expedition, which I think is right here.
All right, so that'll conclude this little video for the Hershey's Unwrapped. The next is the one that I mentioned. So here's a little sneak peek of what that's going to be. If you guys want to check that out, make sure you guys are like and subscribe. Comment down below your favorite chocolate bar. Maybe we'll pick it up and try it out. But as always, tripping ain't easy, but it sure is fun.